Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to find archived projects in Asana. All right. So for example, I'm going to create a new project right here. I'm just going to name it like project 1, PR1, PJ1, continue, create another one, new, PJ2. All right. Just going to hit on continue and create project right here. For example, I want to archive this too. So I'm going to click on the project itself and click on the drop down right here at the top. Hit on archive. And I'm going to do it right here as well. I'm going to hit on archive. Now, where do we find it? Well, the first option is just go ahead and go to home, refresh the page. All right. And you're going to want to scroll down until you find the projects section. All right. As you can see here, we have recents. And PJ2 and PJ1 has been archived right here. We have the tag that says archived. Okay. Now, another option, or the second option, is by going to your projects. Okay. Click on the drop down. And in here, you're going to want to click on browse projects. All right. Once that's done, just go ahead over to the status tab. Click on a drop down. And as you can see here, we have the archived option. Just click on it. And here we have our two archived projects. Okay. If you want to unarchive a project, just click on the project itself. Okay. Now hit on restore. Click on restore. And as you can see here, it is now live again. Now go back. Status. Archive. PJ1. Restore. Okay. Now just refresh the website. And then you can now freely use the project. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.